What's up, guys? I'm Nolan Oliver, and this is Fueling Happiness.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be.
Alright, so I'm here with Tyler. We got a call on Wednesday from our buddy who was in touch with someone who had lost a drone much like this one in a lake about not too far from here, a little northeast of Peterborough, and they asked for us to go in and dive and try and find it. So we're going today to hopefully find it. We're taking 2 tanks, but our intent is to do it in one.
Hopefully.
But hopefully. Tag along and see how it goes.
Yeah. How do I do this again? I don't know, we're out of air regardless. Yeah, we can. Let's do that. At least it gives us another hour. Do you golf? Oh, that's too bad. housing? Orange crabs? Yeah, we haven't seen it.
Do they have orange housing and rainbow probs?
Oh,
It's not this, is it?
you know how hard it was to see? It was sitting like this. I unplugged it when I was down there, but you're gonna want to replace all the hardware. It's pretty rusty. Yeah, the FC looks fine. There's some corrosion, but the GoPro's definitely good.
So, what was that, like an
Yeah.
hour dive
That one?
altogether?
That was a 4-minute dive.
4-minute dive?
Yeah.
Boys, this is fantastic. Thank you so much, man.
Alright, you want to finish our tanks since we're already in here? Or do you want to save the tanks because we didn't really use anything? No, we used enough. We should
We're
probably
at
go.
28.
Yeah, let's go.
Thank you guys for checking out my video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and a comment. If you want to check out my other social media, the links are in the description below. If you want to subscribe, click here. If you want to check out my latest video, click here. If you want to check out my diving playlist, click right here. And I hope you spend every day fueling your own happiness.